Hello and welcome to Diski TV. My name is Ngululeko Ngeo. I'm with Ubobo and I'm also with Ukhaukhelu Sibata. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure you comment and you like the content. Bafana Bafana playing Zimbabwe in the third game. It's got some implications and consequences as well because Bafana Bafana need to avoid losing that game really. So that means a draw or a win, they go through. If they lose, they still stand a chance, but of course you don't want to lose matches and become one of the three number threes. That means we're going to have to wait for Tuesday and Wednesday for other teams to win and lose for us to know whether we're still in the tournament. But if we draw or beat Zimbabwe, we'll still be in the tournament. It's not the worst situation in the world. It is actually Zimbabwe who are in the worst situation because they definitely have to beat South Africa in order for them to continue in the tournament. In this video, we'll talk to Bobo about some of the individual performances, particularly Mbogazi, who has raised his hand. We know that at the beginning, before we came into this tournament, there was a problem with regards to where he went to America and so on and so forth. And we were worried about his coach and whether or not the statements he made were going to affect the player. It looks like the player is very strong. It looks like he's getting on with his job. So we're happy about that. And he's got really good performances, especially against Angola and Egypt, which was a very big test for him. We'll also talk to Zimbabwe and South Africa later on in the video. Bobsit, thank you very much for joining us, sir. You good?
No, I'm good, Mr. Nkeunjani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good performances from Mbogazi. Let's start with him. We were worried that, of course, what his coach was saying about him might affect him. Despite everything else that came. And I think I was listening to Hugo Bross in the press conference to build up to the match of Zimbabwe. He mentioned it again in King you are going to America and stuff like that. And I'm like, no, just let it slide now. Like, you can talk about it any other time except for now. But maybe the coach knows the strength of the player. I'm not saying it's still good what he's doing, but maybe he knows he's unaffected by anything.
Yeah, Mr. Nkeo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi umdlalo ofana noMbogazi psychologically umdlalo engasho ukuthi ready for noma ngabe yini uma ungathi uyambheka bonisa ukukhula ngalendlela le because besi concern kancane sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngam affect talent so kusho kona ukuthi umdlalo ofana noMbogazi uyazi into ayiyo so uma ungayibheka lento le performance asinikeza yona yazi ngathi akuzange kube nenkulumo esithize ngoMbogazi bheka the way a performa ngakhona kuleyo ukunikeza 100 out of 100 lo mfana so kusho kona ukuthi umdlalo ready ngiyacabanga ukuthi abanye they will understand and I must give credit also ku coach Hugo Bross ngiyacabanga ukuthi kukhona ukukhulumile lo mfana because uma ngabe ubona mfana kwangathi aka affectwa inix mhlawumbe khona because if beyangasinikeza enye performance besingasho ukuthi imdistephile kakhulu but namanje ngiyacabanga ukuthi bahlale naye phansi technical team bakhuluma naye Mbogazi ukuthi aswitch on and siyambona wenza kahle kakhulu Mr. ngathi akuzange kwenzeke nix so na Hugo Bross ngiyacabanga ukuthi abanye sizosho sithi izinto azikhulumayo but wazi uBoy kangcono ukudlula thina.
Yeah, perhaps he knows because you can do it with other players and you will destroy them.
Exactly, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nalento ukuthi kwangathi udisappointed ukuthi la yodlala khona kusini la afisa ukuthi ngabe yodlala khona. Ngiyacabanga ubheke le quality uMbogazi ayiyo. You understand? The way uMbogazi ambona ngakhona umbona anelukusasa le right mhlambe kwamanye ama country la khona acabanga ukuthi mhlambe ibhola lakhe angalithatha libeke kwenye level but angifuna ukutshela mangakuleko the way uBoy yenza ngakhona I give credit to Mbogazi. I think he's doing well so far so good Mr. Nkeu. Siyambona ukuthi kule defense yabafana just nje ngikhipa uMbogazi. I'm not saying labadlala balapho ngizwe kahle Mr. Nkeu angeba wenze lo msebenzi but uma ungamkhipa uMbogazi kuleya defense yabafana kungaba khona mhlawumbe nama errors ngawabona because uyabona ukulinka kwabadlali akukho mnandi lapha emuva but uBoy uwina ama 1v1 phela le attack yabafana esibonile ku Egypt second half is because of ile effort efaka uMbogazi the trust ucoach anikeza uMbogazi ukuthi uMbogazi if ngizoba na two rest defense I know ukuthi abadlali abafana nabo Mo Salah abadlali abafana nabo ubani ntwana lenge abo Asho akusebadlali bokuthi bangakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe bas attack ba convert ama goal ba create ama chances ba convert kunoMbogazi so uyabona ukuthi the most defending abadlali abafana nabombokazi kusinikeze more attack, but if besingana trust at the back besingeke attack the west attack ngakhona because besizoba novalo emuva, besingeke sibone Aubrey sibone umdlalo ofana noKhuliso ba attack abenza ama box entries bayothatha ama shot on target, but because of Sinombokazi emuva I trust ikhona, so kusho kona ukuthi uBoy wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu Mr Nkiwu.
Yeah, just on that point America, I think there's a lot of misconception about how football works. I think a lot of our people are saying that South Africans ukuthi no ngelinde iAfcon iphele. That's not how football works kuma transfers. Mangabe club itholi 50 million as an offer. They cannot reject it ngethemba lemali engekho ya next week.
That's true.
There's no way. You get injuries kuma tournaments. I lose the form ku tournament. We don't know. We know him. He's a king. That kid. We know he's good. But you get injuries, you get suspensions, you told a red card. Last minute because you cover Ungeza, last minute I told a red card. First game. That means you're not going to see him the whole tournament, maybe.
Exactly.
Until we get to maybe last 16. Yeah, but so he Pirates or he Sundowns or he Chiefs, whoever, the club might totally offer. When you make a phone call, you go to, are you guys being serious? And email us, oh, okay, so are you guys, this is what you're offering? 50 million. And when I'm trying evaluation here was 30 million. And then but 50 million, you take that amount. And the American League is a developing league, but it's better than our league because it's got a good sponsorships. It's attracting about David Beckham. David Beckham owns Inter Miami. He's one of the owners there. Thomas Muller is there as well. Son Heung-min is there. There's also Lionel Messi there. They have an Apple deal which is worth billions. Yeah, but so they are a developing league that wants to make its mark in the world. So I'm not saying he must. Nami, I have this wish that if he stayed, but that's not how football works.
Yeah.
That's not how. I'm just saying this just to say to even people because I see that a lot of people said if it stayed. With football, I read a lot of books. Kunama club ashonile ngokuthi if they got this deal of 50 million, kwatholakala ukuthi kuyi-fake, we would have been alive. There are teams that go into administration in England. Gandhi, it would have been helped by one deal that fell through. It could have gone through. If there's a promise of a move overseas, let those overseas team go to Chicago and then buy that player. When at Bob's in Maumbega, umfana. What is his level really? Okay, we say born in America and we think he might kill it there in America based on the AFCON. What is his level really? Ingaba se exaggerate masimbonela abo La Liga, abo EPL. What do you think is his level? Njengoba simbona adlala Mo Salah, amfake phakatheni Mo Salah. What is Mbokazi's level?
Mr Nkiwu, ithi ngitshela iqiniso. Into yokuqala kumele ukuthi ucheck umdlalo wena. Umbheke ukuthi umdlalo wakho istrength sakhe sikuphi. Wenzani noma se grounding. Mr Nkiwu, uMbokazi ayikuthi labantu sibabona ba defender ku EPL, ba defender ku La Liga. Abadlali engathi mhlawumbe thina sinabo asisinabo la ekhaya. Mr Nkiwu, uMbokazi can play noma ngabe ku EP league. The way uMbokazi angakhona, he's ready uBoy. Angamani mhlawumbe kube khona lokho azo developer because u developer ngaso sonke isikhathi uma umdlali. Ukhula ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uma ungena eteamini kukhona uzokufunda, khona uzokukhulisa. But mina into engakutshela, Mbokazi can play. Angadlali La Liga, angadlali EPL because ungambheka into yokuqala le confidence anayo uMbokazi. Lento ukuthi mina I can make it. If ungamkhumbula asase ku TTC kunama clip ebekaze akade bawayenza akutshela kahle ukuthi ngiyohlula ngenye indoda mina. So uyambona ukuthi une confidence, uyasitshela ukuthi lento angeke ngihlule. And ezinye zezinto sinokuhlulwa into mhlawumbe because of mina ngibona ngathi izongihlula, but if ngizositshela ukuthi lento ngizoyenza I will make it. So yini ngahlula abadlali abafana nabo Mbokazi ukuthi bangadlala kulama league afana nabo EPL. Yes, omunye umuntu angasho ukuthi no mhlawumbe i-development ikona une talent uBoy. I-development une talent
and nesibindi as a human
how
being.
many defenders abakwazi ukwenza lento enziwa uMbokazi? Abakwazi ukuthi ba break ama window ngama passes. Abaphethe le technique anayo uMbokazi. Uma ungambheka ngathi ushayela epalini uzombona ukuthi lo mdlali uyazi lento ayenzayo Mr Nkiwu. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMbokazi can play. Mina ngendlela ngimbona ngakhona angadlala noma ngabe kuphi uMbokazi. uBoy you ready. Angifuni ukutshela manga Mr Nkiwu. And you know what? Wenzelinye point elibaleka kakhulu Mr Nkiwu ngendaba yama transfer. Lento ishoyo ngokuthi abanye abalandeli or abathandi bebhola bathi ngabe kulindele. Mr Nkiwu ukhuluma into ebeleke kakhulu ama injuries. I-injuries zokukhipha 8 Mr Nkiwu ukuthi noma ne team oyidlalelayo bewuyisithenjwa kuyo ikuthanda, but ngoba sewune injury uhlale wazi ukuthi bazofuna umunye umuntu azo replace. Kunabadlali abangakaze mhlambe bayidlale Orkant bekunama offer ebekade khona, but bathi no asilindeni World Cup iphele or asilindeni iConfed or silinde ini iphele. Labo badlali labo lama team anama options It's not
Yeah, it's
only
not the only
wena
player that they're
phela.
looking at,
Remember
yeah.
banama options.
Yeah.
Bayothola abanye abadlali abazoreplace ispace sakho. So uzothi wena uma sethi i-team ready ukuthi ifuna ukurelease kanti lesa space basivalile. And ngapha basana doubt ukuthi lo mdlalo usase uye lo mdlalo esimaziyo yini na. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi wenza ipoint elibaleke kakhulu Mr Nkewu.
Yeah, kone out abayibiza u-Ian Graham bengithenga incwadi yakhe kulo December.
Yeah.
Beyisipana Liverpool. I-Liverpool my league kubo 2019 abo UEFA Champions League. He was one of the chief data collectors in a company, multi-million company that helps our team get data. There's something that it says there. We'll move on to Zimbabwe in a moment. I just want to share this. Ukuthi unento ayikhulumayo lapho ukuthi by the time they buy some players, abazi ukuthi bawa-gauge kanjani or bawa-weigh kanjani ama-performances wabo because i-AFCON akusi EPL.
Yeah.
So in order for them ukuthi bahloniphe ama-performances wakho, kumele bakudonse ku-AFCON or i-Betway, bakulahlele mhlawumbe kubo Belgium, bakulahlele kubo Europa League, then but okay, if you're still maintaining ama-stats wakho asase-grand, maintaining those good performances, then we can take a chance ngawe ku-English Premier League. So he makes an example ngabafana nabo Van Dijk, who is one of the respected defenders kule era ye-Premier League. Is going to be in the Hall of Fame. Virgil van Dijk. Virgil van Dijk is Dutch, we're Holland. He went to Scotland for the Celtic. And uthi they couldn't know ukuthi uzoba nswembu ku-EPL ngoba Celtic inkulu kakhulu Scotland is the biggest team. But win the league like 11 years in a row. So we don't know whether it's going to translate. So bamlinde qala ahamba ye Southampton England. Manga perform ku Southampton, then yamthenga i-Liverpool ngabo 70 million, 60 million, something like that. No Sadio Mane same thing ukuthi makadlale Austria kubo RB Salzburg. Bamlinde ukuze aperforme kuphi ku Southampton. Then you can go to EPL because abakwazi ukutranslate. You can score 30 goals ku Betway. Umbesuma scored 25 goals, 35 goals ku Betway. Yamthenga i-Portsmouth England. They don't know if those performances will translate. And they never translated. So there's a league where you have to go to first before they be convinced. So maybe America is that league for big teams, is a La Liga and a EPL. Or if you're still doing well there, but Grand Africa and go Champions League, then we go to America, another one, a higher level a little bit, then you can go to EPL. They can't buy you directly. It's very rare for them to buy you directly.
It makes sense.
Yeah. So that's one of the ideas. When we buy a player, because he invested 20, 30 million, we can't just buy you straight from Africa to our league. We are no longer in that period or that era. Let's look then to Zimbabwe, Bobsit, in South Africa. Before we talk about them, we've watched 2 matches. What is your impression with the 2 matches? Okay, we have a good team. Sibone Angola, Qala Sawina, Salane, Egypt. Of course, we did our job to analyze them, but where's your feeling sitting at before we even talk about this Zimbabwe?
Yeah, Mr. Nkewu, okokuqala ukhumbula ukuthi sake sabamba le conversation le because of besibheka i-selection ye-national team.
Sure.
Manje i-selection sidlulile kuyo so
And we've seen the matches themselves.
Swabonile ama-matches kudlala kanjani. But now mase ufika kuma-matches ubheka the way kudlalwa ngakhona, then ucompare namanye ama-team esinawo la ku-AFCON.
Yeah.
Uyakhona ukubona ukuthi kukhona la sileka khona thina.
We can see our level.
Our levels.
Sibuka abo Algeria, sibuka abo Cote d'Ivoire, abo Nigeria. We're comparing ourselves with others now.
We understand. So if uyothola kunabo Algeria manje bona bo Morocco bakhona la kule tournament, inkuleko kumele sibheke lento le because if ngizobelievela kulento ngibelievela kuyo manje because of ngoba I'm a South African, I love Bafana ngithi mina no Bafana ngibona ihamba lula, but kumele ngibheke ama performance wala ama games sibuya kuwo kuzoba inhlanhla Mr Nkewu if you are going to play ngale ndlela sidlala ngakhona singachange la attitude esidlala ngayo kuzoba inhlanhla. Yes, we can progress, singayibeat Zimbabwe singene kula 16.
Yeah.
But I don't think kuzoba lula if singachange indlela esidlala ngakhona because kubonakala ngathi manje sidlala ngendlela eyi-1 Mr Nkewu, and the way sidlala ngakhona it's easy ukuthi singayilose igame. Phela manje Bafana kulula ukuthi ngalose igame. Phela the way siyiluze ngakhona igame ye-Egypt. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr Nkewu kuningi kumele sikulungise ukuze ukuthi sibone iSouth Africa iqhubeka idlala kahle, but if sizoqhubeka sidlale the way sifuna kudlala ngakhona, I'm telling you angiboni siqhubeka la phambili.
Obviously knockout we'll probably go to knockout mangabe sithole result ku Zimbabwe, but as you were expecting maybe boba semi-final, final liyehle themba
because ngibheke le quality yala ma team la siyodlala nawo. Ngiya understand abanye bangasho bathi last season sidlale kule AFCON esadlalwa kuyi sadlala the way sidlala ngakhona, but manje kumele ubheke Mr Nkewu lama team are reinforced. uma ungabheka the way badlala ngakhona manje Mr Nkewu ngiyibukelile AFCON ngiyabukela kunama team obonayo ukuthi if thina sidlala ngalendlela into yokucala nje asikwazi ukushayela epalini sifuna ukukora siphakathi eboxini asifuni ukushayela bheka uFoster mangabathatha ishot on target sometimes kuba ligoli but thina sifuna ukwenza lama box entries siyokora ku empty net la khona sibithe no goalkeeper ziyashaya lezi amajita Mr Nkewu la kuyakhahlelwa uma ngabe goalkeeper akakaza testwe uyabona ukuthi la uyashaywa so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr Nkewu njengoba ngisho ngithi asilungise indlela asichange ni attitude ucoach Hugo Broos ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye lokho ukubhekile ukuthi the ways dlala ngakhona akusingendlela mhlamba acabanga ukuthi singaphumela yes siyovela nje sesivela ngenhlanhla ukuthi bathi sithola ipenalty sawina sayi defender but angicabangi man angicabangi the ways dlala ngakhona Mr Nkewu ukuthi sokuchubekela phambili kuboma quarter finals semi finals if sizochubeka sidlala the ways dlala ngakhona.
Yeah, let's talk about Zimbabwe then. That's the next task. We needed a draw. Ulindo says don't talk about any draw, go there and win.
Yeah.
What do you think is the mindset from the team? Can they beat Zimbabwe? I've watched the 2 matches of Zimbabwe, so two previous to this. They played against Angola, they played against Egypt as well. Those guys have a goal in them. My fear is that if we allow them to score, Lendo listening is going to be a problem. But now, I consider Washington Nairobi, Divine Lunga is Tembalabo Nabo. If we allow them to score, it means nathi ke lento singakwazi ukuyilungisa kuzomela silungisa.
Mr Nkewu nginefear nomadala kule game yeZimbabwe. Into engenza ukuthi ngibe nefear ukuthi ngibona so far sidlala defensive sifuna ukattacka ngama wing. You understand? So if yami ukuthi sinama option. Lento ukuthi sinama option ingasenza silose game yeZimbabwe. Lento ukuthi bathi if singa draw singasithola siwinile siyofuna ukudlala le game sinalento ukuthi if singa draw uthi udlala 0-0 balivalele nethini last minute uyabona ukuthi basikhawatile so but ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma singaya ngale mentality ukuthi it's a must win game singa qualify Mr Nkewu siyeke lento ukuthi if siluze nge 1-0 iZimbabwe I mean Angola yawina nga 1-0 sizoba ingana goal nathi singana goal head to head thina nabo mhlawumbe sizoba sibabithile we understand but lento lezo senza ukuthi singa qualify mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi we must go all out Mr Nkewu iZimbabwe inabadlala ku PSL ngiya understand abadlala abaningi abadlala lapha ku Zimbabwe badlalile ku PSL abanye badlala ku PSL so nabo njengoba ngisho ukuthi mabadlala nebafana babona badlala ne team strong you understand so bazoza all out bazitshela ukuthi ayikho into kumele ukuthi bayenze ngaphandle ukuthi bawine le game bona phela ukuze ukuthi baqualify kumele ukuthi bayiwine
it's a must win for
you understand so into engayisho ngabafana ukuthi we must go all out Mr Nkewu siwine le game ngisho uma singaya ngokuthi iZimbabwe thina sifuna iwin singayiwina le game lula angifuni ukusho manje ungangibuzanga iscore se prediction njengoba
but
I think
we'll get there. I want to explore this fear onayo yokuthi umadala angayibona kuyigame edinga draw adlale draw. And that's realistic because that's his ingqondo yakhe. That's how he is pragmatic ukuthi if this game needs me to draw then I can draw. And the fear is that if we play for a draw, we consider in the second half, now we have to chase for a goal. I think that what you're saying is true, that he might, because other people are saying, go there as a must-win now. Everyone is saying that. But I think because Siamazo Matala, he might look at this and say, well, this situation asked me for a draw, will be good. Whatever happens, go on, none of them win a 7-0. Because it's Bashai, we head-to-head. It's the first preference, go carefully head-to-head. So even if they win that side, China, if we have a draw, 4 points Angola, 4 points South Africa, we are ahead of them because China's Bashai.
Bese Nkewu lento eshoyo uzobana nge-line up ungamangali ubone kubiyela leya line up ya three defensive midfield if ubona mhlawumbe azodonsa oyi1 it's either kumbatha ubone Obasa angangena adlale nga3 because ufuna ukudefenda mara Mr Nkewu ngiyasho ngithi akumelanga siye ngomqondo ukudefenda lapha kumele siwine le game sinabadlali abangasenzela umsebenzi lapha ebenchini kunabadlali ngibabonayo balapha ebenchini ukuthi uma ungabanikeza le freedom uthasambe nsiyo attacker sizodlala Mr Nkewu abadlali abafana nabonkotha kazange abe negame right ngibonile ku first game but uzomdinga kulama game afana neZimbabwe you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi iattack yethu izosinceda Mr Nkewu ukuthi singawina le game njengoba usho ukuthi uma singakhona ukuthi score kuqala bangamani ba-equalize nge-last minute sisho sithi sidrowile but siqualify
Yeah, we're still number 2.
but lento ukuthi sizofika nge-draw thina kumele sifike score kuqala Mr Nkiwu. We must go all out and win the game sikwazi ukuqualify for i-last 16.
Score prediction?
2-1 Mr Nkiwu. Sizoba siwina le game nge-2-1 ngendlela ngibona ngakhona.
Ithemba nje.
Yeah, ngendlela ngibona ngakhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi hayi phela nalo le 1 Mr Nkiwu bangalikora ngale mistake. Mr Nkiwu yaza ukuthi TLB abafuni nix lapho. Bablocka kwasana lapho. Abo Sailor abo Aubrey sibabonile badlala ama game basinikeza ama performance right against
It was a matured performance.
We understand.
It was matured.
So kusho kona ukuthi sizobona Mr Nkiwu mhlawumbe ibafana isinikeza ungamangala bakora ne heavy score uma ngabe abadlali bafana bazinikele kule game ukuthi no man guys sidlala neZimbabwe badlala sibajwayele abanye bakhona sidlala nabo la ekhaya. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mr Nkiwu angezivumela lapha emuva abo TB yangebavuma ukuthi iZimbabwe ingazenzela nabo William ngiyacabanga ukuthi defense the back 5 man bazosenzela umsebenzi ubelula because bona they can shoot epalini angifuni ukutshela manga bona they can shoot and
they should have won against Angola actually.
Yeah.
There were moments where they should have won the game against Angola in Zimbabwe. So they need this win now.
bayidinga ukudlula thina manje bona because thina ngisho ne-draw yasivuna bona bayidinga ukudlula thina. So ngiyacabanga Mr Nkiwu njengoba ngisho ngesi 2-1 score bafana ngibona siya ku ngiyamtrusta yena uMadala uma sekumele ukuthi adlale lento zakhe zokuthi ngikora ngenza 1 2 3 you understand nginokumtrusta lapho but if njengoba ngisho ngithi singachange la attitude siyo attacker siyolanda boZimbabwe the way ngibone sidlala ngakhona manje nabo Egypt ukuthi sifuna kubanikeza le freedom sibanikeze le confidence ukuthi banokho ibhola thina singalitholi ngikhani sizodlala uma baqeda ukuscora sizoba nenkinga sifuna ukudlala njengalama team amancane uma dlala nama big team like high ukuthi you wait qala bakore ngikhani ufuna ukuba attack. So I trust uMadala, I trust uHelman Mkhelele the technical team yabo ngiyacabanga ukuthi bakubonile ukuthi baleke kangakanani ukuthi le game siwine Mr Nkiwu.
Nice one Babs. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone as well. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and you comment on our content. Yeah, we'll be back of course for the Zimbabwe against Bafana game with the hope that of course we are able to remain a little bit longer in the tournament. I think it is true and I like what I'm hearing from the guys from Obobo, from Lindo. We can't be living in delusions. It is true that whoever thought that we were going to win this tournament, at least now you can change your mind. This doesn't mean that God cannot bless you and you win like lucky until you get to the final. But at least you've seen the competition. Because sometimes it's like we are fighting against the world when we say, no, we are not the strongest team. It's like we have a good tactic, we have good combination with the players who are used to playing with each other, playing in continental football with Pirates and Sundowns. But there's a limit to where that can get you. If you're playing against higher quality players, Algeria looks like one of their favorites now, Morocco, Egypt, then you can see that there's a gap in quality. Yes, God can bless you with the draw, lack of the draw, you avoid this one, you get to the semi-final, final. Maybe that's the only way. Otherwise, on quality, not so much. But we do hope, of course, to get to the last 16, and we pray as well that at least quarterfinal, that will still be a satisfying performance in terms of the tournament. We're not the best team in Africa. Thank you very much for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.